Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of templates not loading on CapCut. I'll also show you how to export your videos in 4K quality and use the AI features. I request you to follow each and every step exactly as I do. So, the first thing is, of course, you need to connect to a VPN set to the United States if CapCut is banned in your country. Otherwise, nothing will work as expected. Now, assuming that CapCut is not available on the Play Store, you can download the CapCut app from our Telegram channel. After installing the app, open it and confirm that you are above 13 years old. If you try to enable AI templates right away, they won't load, as you can see here. Follow these steps to enable AI templates. First, change the app language to anything you like and let the app restart itself. After that, enable CapCut Business Mode. Let the app restart again. Now you can change the language back to your preferred one. For me, it's English. Let's import a video, and I'll show you how to export your videos in 4K quality. The trick is, do not log into the CapCut app. I repeat, if you want to export your videos in 4K quality, do not log in with your account in CapCut. Also, there's no need for an internet connection to export your videos in any quality, so you can turn off your internet connection while exporting. As you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. Now, if you want to use the AI features in the CapCut app, you do have to log in with your account. So I'm going to log in now. Now, let me quickly show you if the AI features are working in CapCut or not. As you can see, the AI features are working perfectly fine. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.